Here at Meal Prep Sunday, we make sure that we do right by our clients so they can reach their fitness goals. This week, we want to highlight our Harissa Ground Turkey Meatball dish. We have our lead line cook Giza here to talk about the process for Tuesday.
Hi guys, my name is Giza and I'm the lead line cook for Meal Prep Sunday. I've been working for this company for 2 years, starting from a dishwasher position to a line cook, then working my way up to become one of the main lead line cooks. We first mix our ground turkey so we can make it into meatballs, soak our white rice, prep our cauliflower and broccolini, then create our herbal yogurt from scratch, which contains yogurt, lemon juice, parsley, cilantro, garlic powder, onion powder, and coriander.
We want our clients to be stress-free and have access to fresh, healthy meals as convenient as possible. One of the people who makes this possible is our System Operation Manager, Pedro.
Hi, my name is Pedro and I am the System Operation Manager here at the Meal Prep Sunday. I have been working for the Meal Prep Sunday for 1 year. My role is to create a system that will help our clients to stress less and make our service as convenient as possible. Our system allows customers to customize their meals every week, making sure they have the right amount of nutrients for their fitness goals.
On Wednesday, we cook our meatballs in our state-of-the-art oven, prep our stew for the meatballs, cook our white rice, and saute our vegetables. We do our best to help our clients stay committed to their healthy eating habits as much as possible. We will have our lead line cook Luis talk about it more.
Hi, my name is Luis Rizzo. I've been working here at Meal Prep Sundays for 2 years. I started as a dishwasher, moved to prep line cook, then worked my way up to lead line cook. Meal Prep Sunday will help our clients improve their lifestyles because we offer a free 90-day workout plan along with our meals. We also give them guidance so they can reach their fitness goals. On Thursday, we will begin plating our Harissa Turkey Meatball dish. We start with our herb yogurt sauce, our white rice, the Harissa Turkey Meatball, then end it with sauteed skillet. After plating, we will seal the meals using our advanced packing technology equipment, which decreases the oxygen inside the container down to 1% and slow down the oxygen process. We do strongly recommend the meals to be consumed within 5 to 7 days of delivery.
Thank you for tuning in. See you in the next video.